Hello! Today, I thought it would be fun to talk about what came in my BoxyCharm this month. This is not sponsored. I pay for BoxyCharm with my own money. I tried the Ipsy glam bag for 2 months. I did like it, but for me personally, I realized the BoxyCharm was better because I am a full-sized items girl. Even though I thought, oh, the samples will be better because I can try it and if I like it, buy the full size. But I ended up trying the BoxyCharm and now I don't want to go back. I like it because I get to pick 3 items that come in my box each month. They give me another 2 that they pick, which most of the time are pretty good picks. I've got to discover some new brands that I really enjoy, so that's been a lot of fun. I've gotten to discover a lot of new skincare that I really like too. So I thought it would be fun to go over what came in my BoxyCharm for the month of June. I did open this already, but I have yet to use anything because I wanted to share with you all what I got in my box, what I chose and what they gave me. If you are curious, the BoxyCharm with the tax is like 36 bucks in a month, but you get 5 full-size items. And for me, that's like not a bad deal because that's a way for me to try things, and you usually get a lot more value out of your box than what you would spend, say like if I go to Ulta and I buy all these items individually. 1 month, I think my box was valued like over $200, which was like chef's kiss. That was pretty cool. So we'll start with what they chose for me. The Lovecraft Beauty. It is a Planetary Precision Brow Duo. I've been wanting a brow pen forever, and I got a Lovecraft Beauty gel eyeliner in one of my last boxes, and it has become my go-to for like a nude waterline. They're really nice, really creamy, really pigmented, so I am super stoked to try this and super stoked that BoxyCharm picked that out for me. The next one that they picked out for me it's by Glow Girl Cosmetics. It is a lip oil in the shade Delulu. That isn't relatable to my fucking life right now. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, the packaging, I'll be honest, does kind of remind me of Lunar Beauty. Oh, it's like a brown, nude, little bit of pink in there. That's really cute. I've never heard of Glow Girl Cosmetics, so this is yet another new brand that I get to try. I'm gonna open this Lovecraft Beauty thing so we can see the brow pen. Oh, cool. So this does come with a pencil side, and then if you flip it around, the pen side. This is what I need to fill in some of the hairs that I'm losing in my sleep. Super excited to try that. All right, next, we're getting into items that I picked. I think that's probably my favorite part, is that I have a little bit more control over what comes in the box. The decisions are not easy. Sometimes they pair 2 items together and I really want them both, and I just choose whichever one I want more. So I chose the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer. I've seen this everywhere on my social media accounts, everywhere. And I've actually never tried anything by Huda Beauty, so I'm super excited to try this. It's a smoothing primer. I'm about that. I like to block the pores and make it look like I have none. And then I also chose, this is a Fenty Beauty, what is this? A hydrating lip stain. I don't own any lip stains. So that's the other thing that I think is nice, is with BoxyCharm, I try to choose and go for things that I don't have, things that I need, or things that I ran out of and maybe I need to try something new. So I don't have any lip stains. I got this in the shade Zesty Bestie. It looks like an orange red type of situation. I just recently got to try a Fenty Beauty blush through BoxyCharm too, and I love it. It is like the perfect coral pinky orange. I'm all about orange blush, so that was awesome. Okay, the packaging, that is so cute. And there's the shade on the top. I mean, it's like a fiery orange red. It's showing up a little bit more orange on the camera, but in person, like, this is a little bit more orangey red. So that's gonna be a very nice shade for the summer. And last but certainly not least, I got this Dew of the Gods Daily Gel Moisturizer. All day hydration, cooling, and calming. I've not tried anything by Dew of the God. I did just recently make my way through a gel moisturizer. That's a game changer. I have oily skin, but I also have dry places, and the gel moisturizer is just like so cooling and so hydrating, but not like over the top if you're oily at the same time. I got the one by Biro. I'm almost out of it, and I am so sad. Like, that is one of my favorite moisturizers now, and I got it in a BoxyCharm box. So since I was almost out, I said, you know what, let me try a new gel moisturizer and see if I like it. So that's my haul. That's my BoxyCharm haul for the month. If you want to know favorites that I've gotten from past BoxyCharm boxes, how many times can you say box in a sentence? If you want to know favorites I've gotten in past boxes, please let me know, because I can also make a video about that and about brands that I've gotten to try that are new to me through BoxyCharm. So again, not sponsored, just a fun little shopping haul that I thought would be fun to share, you know, just girly things. Anyway, hope you have a good day. See ya!